Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very different topic, that is number card. As you can see, it is given here, number card. So in today's class, we will explain how to use this number card. How to use this number card. So what is that number card? Suppose this is a card, and each card is a number. So in this card you can see this card is having a number 8, another card is having number 5, another 1, 0, 2 and 7. So these are 5 cards and we have 5 different number in 5 cards. So what to do with this? Now as you can see that this is a number, like if you arrange all of them, if you arrange together, so we are going to have 8, 5, 0, 2, 7. Okay, this is a presentation. This is a kind of number we are going to have. Now as you can see, this is a random number we can get, but if you say that change the number in order, make the smallest number using the number card or make the largest number using the number card, how to do this? So first of all, we have taken number like this, 8, 5, 0, 2, 7. This is the number. If you arrange in this manner, we will get this number out of this number card. Now how to make the smallest number out of this number card? So smallest number, as you can see, this is the smallest number, 0 is the smallest number. So here you go, that is 0 is our smallest number. Okay, we are writing it here, that is 0 is our smallest number. And next smaller is, that is 2, and next is 5, and next is 7, and next is 8. So this is the smallest number we have got out of here. We can we will take these number cards and we will make the smallest number. But one thing, that is 0 in the very left. As you can see, 0 in the very left, this is 0 in the very left. 0 doesn't make any sense. That is this number, if you put in the very left as 0, 0 makes no sense, and then the number becomes only 2578. That means 2578. But this is a 5-digit number. Okay, you cannot put the 0 in the very left. So what you do, you just do this way, that is the smallest number we are making. So you take the second smallest first, that is 2. So and you take 0. Okay, so you take 0. Okay, then you take the third smallest, that is 5, and the next one, that is 7, and the largest one, that is 8. So this is the smallest number of this number card. That means if you use this number card to make the smallest number, we will have this number. Okay, now the next one, that is make the largest number. So what you can do, that is too easy, just take the largest, that is largest one, that is 8, the second largest, that is 7, third one, that is 5, the next one, that is 2, and the last one is 0. So you have made the largest number. So you can see that the largest number will start from the very largest, and the second, third, fourth, and the smallest. So how to make the largest odd number? As you can see, that is so that is largest number, that is our largest number here, 8, 7, 5, 2, 0. So that is our largest number. But what you can do, that is we have to make the largest odd number. Odd means that the last digit of this number have to be odd. The last digit of this number have to be odd, but this is not odd, this seems to be even. So what you do, you change the number. Okay, so you keep this way, 8 7. Okay, now we have to take this number, so that is going to be 2. As you can see, 0 and 5. Okay, so this is our largest odd number. Okay, that is our largest odd number, because we had to take an odd number in the very last. So this is not the largest odd number, this one is the largest odd number. Okay, now make the smallest even number. So our smallest number was like this. Okay, so it is already even number, so we are writing this 20578. so that is our smallest even number, because the last digit is even here. And this was our largest odd number. Okay, because this 5 is odd over there. So we can use this number card to make different pattern of numbers. Like we can make the largest number out of the given number cards. We can make any type of number. I mean, we can make the smallest one, we can make the odd number, we can make even number. So this is how you use number card and you make different types of numbers. Thank you for being with me.